the insurance policy behind government power. It's April 11th. Welcome to YesToHellWith.com. In the last video, we discussed the oath. Today, we discuss the bond. Most people have never heard of a public official bond, and that is exactly why it matters. A bond is not the same thing as an oath. The oath is a promise. The bond is an insurance policy. A public official bond is usually issued by a surety company. It is intended to protect the public from misconduct, dishonesty, negligence, or failure to perform official duties. In other words, the bond exists because even the government knows that officials sometimes act improperly. Many officials are required by state law to have a bond before entering office. This often includes sheriffs, county treasurers, tax collectors, clerks of court, recorders, constables, public administrators, judges, prosecutors. The Liberty Dialogues asks a very simple question. If the official was required to have a bond and no bond exists, then on what basis are we presuming the lawful exercise of authority? Remember the LD order? Authority first, enforcement last. Now, the oath and bond go directly to the authority. Suppose a sheriff seizes property. Suppose a clerk refuses to file a document. Suppose a judge acts before taking the required oath. The first reaction of most people is to argue the result. But the Liberty Dialogue series teaches that you should instead investigate the foundation. Did this person even have the lawful capacity to act? The bond may answer that question. The bond usually identifies the official, the office, the surety company, the bond number, the amount of coverage, and the dates during which the bond was in effect. This is critical because if the official acted before the bond became effective or after it expired, you may have discovered a major defect in authority. The system depends upon presumption. The Liberty Dialogues teaches to replace presumption with documentation. Do not merely say, I think this official is not bonded. Get the record, get the bond, get the dates, then compare them to the conduct. Because once again, the most dangerous thing to a presumptive system is a citizen with records. And as always, may truth reign supreme.